Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to change the language on Telegram. First you'll need to open your Telegram application. Then you are going to click on the profile icon at the bottom. Then these are settings. Let's click on settings. Then scroll down. Here is language. It is in English. We can change it to any other language we want. Let's choose this one, Espanol. The language has changed. We can change it back to English still. Guys, that's how you can change the language on Telegram, and that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.